I am from Gaugrass Maths Hub. I am going to discuss one question that has been taken from Chapter 4 Determinant and CRT 12 Mathematics. That question is question number 1, exercise 4.2. Equal to using the property of determinants and without expanding, prove that elements of first row x, a, x plus a, the elements of second row y, b, y plus b, the elements of third row z, c, z plus c equal to 0. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Here I shall write solution. Solution equal to, let determinant equal to opening of vertical line I have done here, the elements of first row x, a, x plus a, y, b, y plus b, elements of third row z, c, z plus c. You have to evaluate this determinant without expanding as per row wise or column wise. Here I have to use property of the determinant. Here you can see in the third column, the elements are x plus a, y plus b, z plus c. Here third column, elements are, these are the elements of third column, x plus a, y plus b, z plus c. Here elements of first column, x, y, z. So if you see here, elements of third column, x plus a. If you subtract x from x plus a, you will get here easily a. This element will become here a. This will be the identical. Take this element in third column, y plus b. If you subtract y from y plus b, the y will be cancelled out, get here b. So this b will be identical. And here also, if you subtract z from z plus c, you will get here c, here c, here b, here b, here a, here b. This means that here two columns, second column and third column will be the identical. That's why the value of this determinant will be equal to 0. So let us proceed further. Here I shall write by using the property C3 goes to C3 minus C1. This property I shall use by using the property C3. This is C3, column number 3, that is C3, goes to C3 minus C1. This means that here C3, here I have written column number 3. The here column number 3 will come 100%. 100% column number, since here column number 3 I have written, the here column number 3 will 100% reflected. C3 will be the same here. That's why here I have signed here goes. After that, here you can see 3 is there, here 1 is there. The here column number 3, here column number 1 I have reflected. The both column here minus sign is there. In this case, here C3, here 1. Both columns should be different, but here C3 is there, here C3 must come. This is the an important aspect of property. So here I shall write property, use property, C3 goes to C3 minus C1. So let us what result will be. So this determinant will become here like this. Opening of vertical line I shall do here. Here you can see C3, only changes will occur in C3. Here C3 goes to C3 minus C1. This means that changes will occur only in the third column. There will be no changes in first column and second column. So here I shall write first column and second column as it is. Only changes will occur in third column because C3 goes to C3 minus C1. The changes will occur only in the third column. The third column, what changes will occur? Here you can evaluate like this. Here you can write in rough work C3 goes to C3. So I shall take the first element of C3. This is column number 3. The first element will be x plus a. Here minus is fixed. Here this minus will come here this place, and the corresponding element of x plus a. The corresponding element of x plus a in column number 1 will be x. So here write x. So here C3 goes to this x will be cancelled. I will get here a. So here I shall write a. In the similar way, you can evaluate this one. C3 goes to C3. Take this one. This element I shall take. So I am going to take element y plus b. So here I write y plus b. Again, the corresponding element of y plus b in the column number 1 is y. So here write minus y. This one will cancel out. Here will get here b. So write here b. And again imply that C3 goes to take this element z plus c. Write here z plus c. Minus here write minus. The corresponding element of z plus c in first column is z. So write here z. So this z will be cancelled out. Here will get c. So here write c. Now here you can see second column and third column are identical. Here a is there, here a is there. Here b is there, here b is there. Here c is there, here c is there. So here I can write very well. Since column number C2 and column number C3, this is C2, second column, and this is third column. So here column 2 and column 3 are identical. Second column and third column are identical. Hence, value of determinant is equal to 0. So here I have proved. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. This thing you have to prove. Since C3, second column and third column are identical, when any two rows or any two columns of a determinant are identical, then the value of determinant comes out to be 0. So here you can see second column and third column are identical. That's why value of determinant comes out to 0 here. So here 0 I have written. This is the proper explanation of question number 1, exercise 4.2, that has been taken from chapter 4, determinant NCERT 12 mathematics. Okay guys, thanks.